So, good morning, my dear students. The chapter 8 application of the integral, the exercise 8.2, the question number up to 4 should be completed in previous video. So, now in this video, we will discuss about the question number 5. This is an important 6-mark question. So, what's the difference of the question number 4 and 5? So, you know that question number 4 in a triangle. So, I know that coordinate points, okay, for example, 0, -1, here the point B is equal to 2, 1. Again the point C is equal to 2, 0, something value will given. So in a triangle, I know the 3 vertices, okay. So you find out the equation of find the area of the triangle. That's a previous problem. So I need to find out the equation of side, and equation of AB you will find out, equation of AB on side, again equation of BC and equation of CA. So find the equation also. So what's in this problem, question number 5 means, so find the, using integration, find the area of the region whose sides are given. So given in a triangle, sides are given, okay. Equation, I know that A, B, C. I don't know the coordinate points, but I know the sides, equation of the sides. So what's the given? Y is equal to 2x plus 1 one side, okay. Another side y is equal to 3x plus 1 and x is equal to 4. So sides of the equation, I know that. So how to find the area of the triangle? This is a difference, okay. Question number 4 and 5 is a major difference. So equation 1, again equation, I know the sides of the equation. So you find out this two equations solve, you find out the coordinate points. Again these two equations solve, again you find out the coordinate points. Next again the two equations solve, you find out the coordinate points. As usual, you find out the, okay, area. Is clear? So what's the given? Given 3 equations are given. So first I will find out the equations, okay. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. So here just to see that, here what's the meaning? X and y axis, here x and y axis. Just you will apply, put x is equal to 0. Is clear? X is equal to 0, what's the meaning? Y is equal to 1. Is clear? Similarly, y is equal to 0, put y is equal to 0, apply x is equal to -1/2. Is clear? What's the second equations? Y is equal to 3x plus 1. Same way here you find out the second equation also. Here just you find out x and y. So put same way, x is equal to 0. X equal to 0, what's the value? Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0, what's the value? X is equal to 1/3. Is clear? So another equation, x is equal to 4 is not a problem. Is clear? So first you draw the diagram. Is clear? What's here? X and y axis. First you will draw the x and y axis. Is clear? Here x axis, again the value of y axis. Okay, now you see that here that the points, what's the first line straight line equations? 0, 1. Is clear? 0, 1. You got approximation, you take that points equal to 0, 1. Next another point is -1/2, 0. Up here that you will choose, okay, that points equal to -1/2, 0. So this line is going this way. What's the equation of the line? Y is equal to 2x plus 1. This line you go to this way. Is clear? Next, what's the another equations? Same way here equation y is equal to 3x plus 1. Y is equal to 3x plus 1. Just you see that. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 1. What's the meaning? 0, 1. So same point here 0, 1. Next point 0, -1/3. Up here I will choose approximately that particular point. What's the point here? -1/3, 0. Here that's the point is 0, 1. So another line is going this way. What's the equations? Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Y is equal to 3x plus 1. Y is equal to 3x plus 1. That's clear? Another line equations. So next value, what's the meaning? X is equal to 4. Okay, so equation straight line. So x is equal to 4. I will choose x is equal to 4. That's clear? X is equal to 4. So I draw the line, x is equal to 4. That's clear? X is equal to 4. So we get the one triangle. That's clear? The 3 equations. Here the equation is x is equal to 4. Above something you find out the area of this particular triangle. That's clear? Area of the triangle. Is clear? So what are the coordinate points? Okay, so I know that coordinate points. So first point here, the coordinate point I will choose A is equal to 0, 1. So next I need this coordinate point, I need B, again this coordinate point, again I need the value of C. So 3 coordinate point I know that. So here what's the value? X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. What's the equation you substitute? This particular equations. Is clear? Y is equal to 3x plus 4. Up here x is equal to 4. Is clear? X is equal to 4. What's the equation? Y is equal to 2x plus 1. You got to intersect. Up here x is equal to 4. You got to substitute. So up here what's the value? Y is equal to 2x plus 1. X is equal to 4. You could subtract. Up here y is equal to 9. So this coordinate point is equal to 0, 9. Same next again. This coordinate point, what's the value here? X equal to 4. I need the y. So y is equal to this equation in the subject. Intersect these equations. So again x equal to 4 means 12, 12.1, 13. So I know this 3 coordinate point. I know that point A, B, C. Is clear? So how to find the area? Same way, you know that formula. Is clear? So first I find out the area. What the limit is? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. I will take the limit. X is equal to 0 to 4 limits. So I will find out the limit is 0 to 4. I will find out the straight line equation total area. I will find out. So minus the second equation I will subtract. That's clear. So this equation I will choose same way y1. Here I will choose the y2. So equation y2 minus y1 I will subtract. What's the limit is 0 to 4. The entire equation. So first y2 equation limit x limit 0 to 4. Again y1 limit is 0 to 4. Is clear? So what are your conclusions? I knew that area is clear. Area is equal to integration of limit is 0 to 4 the modulus of y2 minus y1 into dx. That's all. Is clear? So I know that up here integration 0 to 4. What's the value of y2? The y2 is equal to what's the meaning? Y value 3x plus 1. Is clear? Here 3x plus 1 into dx. Is clear? Minus what's the here y1? Best you could subtract. Okay, here y1 minus what's the value of y1? Here the value of y1 is equal to 2x plus 1. Here also 2x plus 1. Okay, both limits 0 to 4. So I will subtract. Otherwise you could subtract in separator. Okay, integrate with separator. Is clear? So again we get the value of dx. Okay, understood? So you could simplify. So by here integration 0 to 4. What's the meaning? Here 3x. Okay, 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1. That's clear. That's the value of dx. You could simplify integration 0 to 4. What's the meaning? X into dx. Just you could simplify x squared by 2. The limit is 0 to 4. What is simplify? 16 by 2 minus 0. That's the meaning 8 square units. 8 square units. You understood, my children? So now you say the both limits are same 0 to 4. So I will take the straight away you could subtract. So suppose in the limits should be different means you can take separate limit. The integration 0 to 4 y2 dx minus integration different limit y1 into dx. Is clear? This is an important 6 mark question. So many times asking the any competitive exam point of view 1 mark question, this type of question you will come to. Is clear? Understood, my children? So this is exercise 8.2 should be completed. So the question number exercise 8.2 question number 4 and 5 the same method concept based on the miscellaneous problem. 2 problems are available. Please to try the children. Okay. And the same the exercise 2 should be completed means next you go to miscellaneous exercise. You can watch the next video. Thank you.